Now we're going to install our injection pump in this Cummins 6BT 210. This is a Lucas CAV or Delphi pump, Delphi DPA they call them. The first thing you do is you set your timing code. The timing code on this engine is a B. You set B at the edge of this circlip right here inside this pump, inside this little window here. Then you lock your pump. Your fuel injection shop should do this. You'll come around here, you will put the pump in position. Then, in my experience, I've only been doing it a couple of weeks, between D and E is usually where you're going to fall for timing code B. You're going to install your timing gear here with the O on the camshaft facing between D and E. This gives us our 210 horsepower rating with one at TDC. We verify over here that it looks like B is at the edge of the circlip, right in here. And then we install our nut. After you've started the nut on the pump, you can go ahead and torque it now. Torque on this is 60 foot-pounds. If you do not have, let's say, a barring tool, we don't have a bell housing on this engine at this time, so we don't have a barring tool. However, I do use my custom aluminum timing pins. The timing pin is good enough, is strong enough to hold even putting in the P pumps. P7100 pump, P3000 pump is 144 foot-pounds. These are only 60. But regardless, you should always put a bar through some bolts in the crankshafts now, or hold your barring tool. In my situation, we're using the timing pin. Now that we have the injection pump gear torqued, what we're going to do is we're going to align our edge of our circle clip right in here. The top of the clip has to line up with that line on the pump rotor. Now we're going to see to make sure our scribe mark lined up. The quick and dirty way to do this is just by lining up this mark. I always like to verify with the circlip inside the injection pump. So we have lined that up 100%. It's dead nuts. We're looking here and it looks like we are 100% lined up with a scribe mark on this front cover. So this engine is properly timed for the rating on this tag for a 0742 CPL.